Hey guys, T Castro01. It's been a while. It's been about a year and a half since I uploaded my last video. Um, just letting you guys know that I made most of my videos private. The videos that I didn't get above 100 views or over, I deleted, or not deleted. I made them private so you guys can't see them, just me. But the videos that got over 100 views, you guys can still see. I kept those public. So this is a new genre of video. It's still in the plane category, but it has to do with plane spotting. This one was taken in Washington DC from Gravley Point Park in May of 2020. Just letting you guys know, if you're ever in DC, make sure to check that park out if you're into planes and stuff like that, which I would assume you are if you're watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is my first plane spotting video. It's actually serious into this. If you guys like it, make sure to like and comment that you do so, and even subscribe, and I'll look into doing more videos such as this one. And without further ado, we'll let the video roll. Hope you guys enjoy it. Steep takeoff. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first plane spotting video, and I hope you did okay with it. If you guys like this, you let me know. I'm in Miami right now, and the hotel I'm staying at has great views of planes coming into Miami International. Not quite as good as the one from Gravely Point, but it's still doable. And I could definitely do that video to hold you guys over until my next plane spotting video as good a quality as that. Also letting you guys know that I have stuff takeoff and landing videos So if you guys want me to upload one of those, I have them on my camera roll right now, so I can upload them really quickly if that's what you guys want. Also letting you guys know, in February of 2022, I am taking a cruise, 10 nights from New York on a Norwegian Gem. And so it's a balcony, and I can do the same videos I did on the Norwegian Dawn. If you guys haven't watched those, I highly suggest you watch them, and I'll put the link in the description right now. So I had some good success with those videos, and they're fun too. I must admit, they're really fun to do. So I'm definitely do those if you guys want me to do them. Anyway, thank you for watching my first video in a while, and I hope to get back into this. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you guys soon.